Hey guys, welcome to chemistry. I'm so excited to be able to introduce you to this subject because chemistry is all around us. It helps us to explain how cooking works, to the reactions in our brains, to even explaining why volcanoes erupt. But before we can get into all that, we have to start from the basics. And there are two things that we are going to talk about first. First thing is that everything that you could possibly see or think of in our universe, from the computer in front of you to the walls that is probably in your room, I don't know which room looks like, but there's walls, to the flowers, to your own skin, everything is made up of atoms. Isn't that crazy? Every single thing that you could possibly think of is made up atoms. Secondly, we're going to talk about what the heck is an atom. An atom is what you see in the diagram in front of you. And there are three parts of an atom that we really need to understand and hammer down and make sure that we know. The first is that the center of the atom right here is called the nucleus. And in the nucleus, we have two kinds of particles. We have protons, which are the green little circles with the positive charge, and we have neutrons, which are these blue things. And if the charges are kind of freaking you out, don't worry. We'll cover that a little bit later. Surrounding the nucleus, we have another kind of particle, and that is the electron. And they are these little red circles with the negative sign, and they orbit the nucleus just like the planets orbit the sun. So knowing that, let's get started with some problems.